So, you can create an Instagram page in 5 minutes, but it'll be without niche research, content planning, and a monetization strategy. Creating and growing an Instagram theme page requires more than most people might think, and that's probably why most people don't move beyond the first step, creating a page. I took a paid theme page course from a guy who's making ridiculous amounts of money with a single Instagram theme page. Here's your simple step-by-step guide. No fluff, pure actionable insights you can implement from today. Pick a niche. An important step is niche or theme selection. You can be a generalist, but that would defeat the purpose of a theme page. A theme can be anything that has a market and monetization potential. Make money online is a popular one. I see plenty of pages around the hustle theme where the creators shared their strategies and systems. Don't overthink this step, although it decides your page's success. Spend some time understanding what's working on Instagram already and how you can repurpose that. It's the fastest way to replicate other success on the platform. Instagram's search bar is where you should start. Type in your niche, e.g. AI. Observe the pages that pop up, especially the ones that are doing well. They have a decent, engaged following. Reverse engineer their posting strategy, hashtags, and content. Create a Google spreadsheet of your top competitors. Add a sheet for your content plan. Not sure about theme selection? Go with one of these. They're the most in demand. Health, organic living, alternative medicine, cardio exercises, etc. Make money online, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing, Instagram theme pages, etc. Motivation. Create your page. Use a free design tool like Canva to create your logo, and ChatGPT to pick an SEO-friendly name and bio. Optimize your bio with your target keyword niche and add a landing page. The landing page can be anything you're selling or even an affiliate link. Create a content strategy. Your competitors can give you an entire content plan, but if you still don't have enough topics to talk about, feed this prompt into ChatGPT and let it generate an entire content strategy. Act as an Instagram growth expert and create a content plan for my theme page name in the niche name. My target audience is your target audience and I'm promoting the products you're selling. Use copywriting techniques to suggest attention-grabbing hooks, transitions, captions, and CTAs for every topic. Don't follow everything the chatbot suggests. Of course, use a mix of competitor analysis, ChatGPT, and your creative thinking. Post regularly. Interestingly, this is one of the most important things in making a theme page successful. I've found that when you post consistently, your new content tends to get more eyeballs. You don't have to post every few minutes or even hours. The key is consistency. If you can post high-quality content thrice a week, do that. However, realize that we're living in an attention economy, and the more you post, the more chances you have to go viral, or at least get enough eyeballs consistently. This is especially the case when anyone with a good AI tool can churn out consistent content. So you may want to post more than you normally think is enough. Here's the key to keeping your posting schedule consistent. Use a scheduling tool. Meta Business Suite is a great option. It has an intuitive scheduling tab. Track and optimize. This is where you look out for any potential flaws in your content strategy. The simplest way I found to track what works is by looking at the views of every post reel. So after sharing a reel, I go back to the Insights tab of that reel. Here's the thing. Just because a reel got a lot of views doesn't mean it will generate revenue. I've noticed that if your reel isn't promotional, it gets more eyeballs and interactions. The point I'm trying to make is to try to create a perfect balance between virality and promotion. Make your reel connect with your audience emotionally, and use CTAs smartly to convert most of your views into leads. The one thing I want you to take away from this video is that you don't make it complicated. Simple does it every time when it comes to Instagram theme page growth. I think the fastest way to a successful Instagram page is this. Understand what's working for other creators, find their top-performing reels and posts. Use tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and your own creativity to create and implement a content strategy. Track your results. Focus on what works. Discard what doesn't. Most importantly, stay consistent.